welcome to Nocatee. I am standing in the Outlook in 20 Mile, and I am one of the most awesome site agents here in the Outlook. I say that because if you ever meet my partner, you'll understand. I am standing in front of an Egret 5, which is a showcase home. It is ready to move into. I am waiting for the next person to walk into my model home and want to purchase this thing. It is a 3-car garage. Split, of course. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. Come on inside and let me show you what we have to offer you. As you see, as we're walking up, it is a brick pavered driveway. Beautiful double doors on this home. Hold on, this is exciting. I'm gonna show you the best part of this floor plan. Wow, the open floor plan. This house has got 16 foot of glass sliding doors that all pocket behind a wall. So you have a huge, huge gathering room. Off of that gathering room, you do have a flex room, office, exercise room, make it another living room. With this house in particular, you do have access to this 1-car garage, if I can open it. Very nice size garage for a golf cart, for storage, even for a car. We've had someone actually pull a Corvette into this little station here, so I know it fits. Come on inside. In here you're going to have your dining room, and you're going to have a beautiful kitchen that has white cabinets in this home. You're going to have the stainless steel tower with the microwave and stove. It is natural gas community, so you do have the gas cooktop. You've got a nook eating area. But come here, let me show you this laundry room. Is that not an amazing laundry room? I've just never seen one so big. Off of this laundry room, you do have access to your 2-car garage, which is very spacious. We do not have our water heaters inside, so it's not taking up room in your garage. It is a tankless water heater on the outside of your home. Come on over here and let me show you our master bathroom, and then I will wrap it all up for you. So in here you've got your master bedroom, his and her closet, and an amazing master bathroom. Very spacious. You do have a thermostat in this master bedroom, and you have a thermostat at the other side of the house. So it is got 2 zones, which is nice. If you want to keep your master bedroom cooler than the rest of the house, you can do that. I'm going to take you out here to the lanai just to show you this huge lanai on this home. This is the house that is for sale. So if you will come out, stop out at Outlook and see either me, which I'm awesome, or my husband. See, I told you. The other side agent.
That's me.
Both of us can show you this home. Both of us can sell you this home. But of course, you want to work with me. So I will see you later today. Bye.